Today, I'm going to show you a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, affordable in the 55 plus community of Legacy of Leesburg off Route 27. I know you're going to love it. Come on in. As we come up the concrete driveway, absolutely has the garage screens here, which is really nice. Right into a walkway. Lit it, nice little palm trees. Double screened in lanai in this home. In the front screened and in the back. I can't wait to show you. Let's go inside. And again, before we hit the utilities room, my name is Jim McDonald, your 352 realtor. Not done yet. I'm going to show you the utility room. But if you like this video and you want to see more videos of homes like this, be more than happy to produce them for you. Please like and subscribe down below. And it helps the channel, it helps the algorithm. And certainly we want to float to the top and certainly serve you in the best way possible when doing these type of videos. So let's continue on. Let me show you the super high ceilings. Great place to have a coffee, drink, just chat, maybe play some cards. You're gonna overlook the neighborhood. Really nice. All these homes, all these windows in the homes, as you can see by the holes up there, all have hurricane-proof shutters. A very nice, expensive add-on to this block and stucco home. That's in meticulous condition. I can't wait to show you. I know you're gonna love it too. Let's go inside. As we go inside, look at this beautiful home. Nice entryway here. If I pan to my right, you get a nice little coat closet, which is fantastic. Right into a dining room, living room, wide open concept. Again, super high ceilings, archways. I'll show you the bedrooms there. Matter of fact, that's the master to the left, but I'm gonna show you, let's go to the spare 2 and 3 bedrooms. All right, let's show you, I'll call it bedroom number 2. Very nice, queen size, all consistent flooring all the way through. And very well done, fan in the room. Let's go to bedroom number 3. Again, another queen size. Plenty of room for friends, family, guests. Nice closet. They share this bathroom. Corian countertops. Again, knockdown ceilings throughout the house. Very consistent theme. Right into a tile tub configuration. I'll show you what that looks like. Again, just beautiful. Well maintained. Frosted glass, so no need for curtains if you don't choose to have those. Let's continue on. So I showed you when we entered the house, a dining room. This is the official dining room here on the back side of the home. This home, again, as you can see out the window, it is not close to your neighbors out back. Plus you got some shrubbery. If I pan right into the kitchen, just very wide kitchen here. Gives yourself cabinets all the way up. Nice decor, recessed lighting. Again, Corian countertops, beautiful upgrade. Has the bar on this side if you so choose. This owner chooses not to have, but you could have stools right up in here if you want to add extra seating capacity and you like that. Or you can do like the sellers have, make it one huge living room with TV. Just beautiful. Let's head towards the master. Heading toward the master, get another closet. Great for like vacuum, sweeping. Can be an extra coat closet. This master is huge. And look at that bonus room off there. So plenty of room here for king size bed. Again, consistency in the floors, knockdown ceilings. Look at this bonus room. Can be an office, sitting area, craft room. I mean, really nice. I'm gonna pan around for you. And you can look all the way down into your master bath. Let's head that way. Plenty of closet space here. Again, opposite closet space. Right into a tile floor, Corian countertops, garden soaking tub. Very nice and deep, diffused glass, so you're not worried about that. Or a standard walk-in shower. In your water closet. Again, all very well done. Give you a look back. All right, let's head towards the utility room in the garage. Before we do that, let's go to the lanai. As you heard, there's an alarm system here that's all built in, ready to go if you choose to continue on. There is not hurricane shutters on these screens, so just on the glass, which is pretty common. This is all screened in, no glass here on the lanai. Fan, high ceiling. Great to enjoy out here. This would be the southern exposure of the home. Again, meticulously maintained on landscape, all grooming. Matter of fact, the whole neighborhood is here. It's a very, very nice neighborhood here in Leesburg, in the community of Legacy of Leesburg. Okay, let's head to the utilities room. Okay, here in the kitchen, again, nice closet for a pantry, plenty of space for that. Right into the utility room, washer and dryer, cabinets here for storage. Got your shock absorbers for the water, for water shut off. Let's go right into the garage. Ah, something fell down. So it's a windy day today. I have these, I told the owners to just leave obviously the doors here. I wanted the screens just so people could see and understand. I'll pick that up. Looks like the wind took it today, but double car garage. It is coated on the floor. So you have your epoxy coatings here. Has drop down stairs if you want some storage up there. Already here, ready to go. Your HVAC unit here. And your hot water is right here. It's like a 40-gallon. So really the business side, very well maintained. You can see all the papers on there. Somebody maintains. Let's look at 110 like I normally do. Get a full perspective here. Yeah, I mean, you have half to go. You got some circuit breakers, some trips here for GFCIs already here. Ventilation, again, you see the block. All right, gang, let's go for a wrap-up video. All right, that's gonna wrap it up for this home. I am in Leesburg. Again, I've mentioned before, I'm in Legacy of Leesburg, a very, very upscale 55+ community that has gorgeous homes throughout, has a lot of nature trails. So if you have pets or you like the nature or you bike, I just saw bikes come cruising by on the street. Again, very active community. Has a full clubhouse, pools, pickleball, tennis courts, everything you're gonna want. Matter of fact, the rec center just went through a major renovation. So that's basically brand new here, which is not far from this house. It's walkable here to this property, to the community center for sure. I'm at 5334 Pond Crossing Place here in Leesburg. This home is a 2007 home. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, just under 2,000 square feet total space. That is not including both lanais. This is all heated under heat and AC, just under 2,000 square feet. This is a gorgeous home, very well maintained. It was built in 2007. Asking price is $369,900. It's an absolute bargain. The median price here is $348,000. This one is just beyond it, but I think you saw in the video, this house is gorgeous and very well maintained and on the larger scale within the community. Again, if you have any questions, please get a hold of me. My name is Jim, your 352 Realtor. You can reach me at 352-492-1699. I can't wait to hear from you or show you the next one. Till then.